everyone, welcome back to another video. Hopefully everyone is staying safe. Today we're going over and doing an overhaul on the top part of the exhaust system. So we've got a Maximworks 421 manifold that we're going to clean down nicely and give a bit of paint to, and same with this little decay here. Again, clean it down, clean it all up, and then give it a bit of love and a bit of spray paint. So you're going to join me on this lovely journey. All you're going to need really is a drill, wire brush, some PPE, get some gloves as well, and then your Maximworks, or your two things you need to clean up. So we're going to start on the decay and get that all cleaned and sprayed down. Because of the age and the fact that the MX-5 is an import, it doesn't actually need a catalytic converter, but I'm just going to see what it's like with one because I got it thrown in when I brought the exhaust anyway. If not, I can just keep the standard cat on there. So as you can probably see, I had to go to a slightly bigger drill because the other one died, so I just grabbed the SDS drill and plugged it into the mains. Didn't have to worry about that. You can see it's coming along. Put a different end on just to go around these ends, these edges, and then it'll be ready for some paint. Once it's painted, I'll move on to the 421 Maxworks manifold. But yeah, it's getting there. These just take a bit of time, but they're really simple to do, and if you get any bits of stuff that's a bit crapped up, then this kind of helps a lot. So I'm going to keep working through it. Alrighty, so you can see we are a lot better than it was before. I've got a couple more little bits to do, just make sure we get around the edges, and then yeah, I'll be on to wiping it down and painting it, so we'll get to that next. Right, so we've got it all cleaned up. We've used hydrohydric alcohol to wipe it down. It's taken off most of the crap that was on there. Got our VHD paint, just spray it on really. Just remember PPE and all of that. I've made a start to the Maxfield or Maxworks 421 manifold. If you're not sure why it's called, if you're confused why it's called a 421, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 pipes going into 2 pipes, so they join there and there, then into one. Kind of makes sense. That's your O2 sensor point as well. So I'm going to keep working on it. This is going to go red inside the engine bay. I think it'll look quite cool. That's kind of why I'm going to make it go red. So as you can probably see, what we've done is given the exhaust a nice lick of red paint. It's going to look really nice, hopefully. Hopefully I've not missed any bits. And then the decat's all black. It just needs to be set and drying. Thank you all for watching. This is just part 1. After this, we'll be moving on quite nicely to fitting and getting it all fitted in. So hope you're all having a lovely time and staying safe. Please like the video, comment below if you want to see anything special. If you've got an idea of what exhaust to actually put on the end of this, in terms of the catback, I haven't actually brought yet, but I've got a couple that I'm looking at. So like, comment, rate and subscribe, and see you all in the next one.